Hello, I'm Zach, and I'm here to talk about Cat Reman on-highway truck engines. When it's time to overhaul your Cat heavy-duty or medium-duty truck engine, you need a solution that gets you back on the road fast at a price you can afford. So consider Cat Reman engines. They're available in a wide range of cost-effective options for both heavy-duty and medium-duty applications. And they're remanufactured to perform like new for a fraction of the price with core return. Plus, they come with a Caterpillar limited warranty and the option to add extended service coverage for even more peace of mind. When Caterpillar remanufactures these engines, every part is disassembled, cleaned, and inspected. Critical components are replaced with new, reground, or resurfaced parts. And each product is dyno tested to meet original performance specs. Ultimately, Cat Reman engines include a remanufactured cylinder block, turbocharger, injector set, and various other components. They provide you with a drop-in solution that reduces downtime and saves money on labor. Meanwhile, Cat Reman heavy-duty engines with new content offer you 100% new cylinder blocks, crankshafts, and cylinder heads. This is a great option when you need to restart the life cycle of your engine, since it makes even more overhauls possible. Whether you're looking for an in-frame rebuild or an out-of-frame replacement, Cat Reman engines are designed to save you money over the lifetime of your truck engine. Talk to your local authorized Cat dealer to learn more about Cat Reman engines and other Cat Reman components. And find more information at cat.com/cattruckengines.